video, we will learn about the parts of a plant, the partes de la planta. All of our favorite fruits and vegetables come from plants, and each part of the plant has a different job. All of the parts work together to help the plant live and grow. Similar to humans, all plants have a life cycle. The roots, or the raíces, take in water and nutrients from the soil so that the plant can be healthy. The stem, or el tallo, takes in the water like a straw. It sucks it up so that it can go to all different parts of the plant. The leaves, or las hojas, take in light and energy from the sun. The flower, or la flor, gets visited by busy pollinators and turns into the seed case, or the caja de semillas. The seed case, or the caja de semillas, protects the seeds that are inside. And the seeds, or las semillas, are the part of a plant that grows into a new plant. This diagram shows the 6 parts of a tomato plant: the roots, the stem, the leaf, the flower, the seed case, and the seeds. All right, friends, find a place where you can do some movement.
Hi friends, Serena Squash here, and I'm going to teach you a song and a dance that help me remember the parts of a plant. We're going to start by putting our hands out like this and pretending our fingers are the roots. Remember, the roots are the part of the plant that are underground that take in the water and nutrients. So let's reach down by our toes, and the roots, they take in the water. 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 Then the stem, or el tallo, sucks up the water and nutrients like a straw. And the stem, or el tallo, helps the plant stand straight and tall. Straight and tall. Straight and the leaves, or las hojas, they grow out and reach towards the sun. This is where the plant makes their own food. And the leaves, or las hojas, they take in the sun. They take in the sun. They take in the sun. They take in. Then we pretend our face is a beautiful flower, okay? La flor attracts pollinators and turns into the fruit or the vegetable, la fruta vegetal, or the seed case. And then the seeds, or las semillas, that are inside the fruit or vegetable or the seed case, they drop down again and they make the plant grow. The seeds, or las semillas, they make the plant grow. Okay, friends, let's practice doing it together, okay? I want you to do it with me, okay? And if you have anyone around you, friends, family, they can join in too. So here we go. Put your hands out like the roots, las raíces. The roots, they take in the water. 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 Then the stem, or el tallo, helps the plant stand straight and tall. Straight and tall. Straight and tall. Then the leaves, or las hojas, they take in the sun. 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 Now pretend your face is a beautiful flower. The flower, or la flor, turns into the seed case, or the fruit or the vegetable, la fruta vegetal, and it protects the seeds. It protects the seeds. It protects the seeds. It protects the seeds. And then the seeds, or las semillas, they help the plant grow. The seeds, or las semillas, they help the plant grow. Whew, that was so much fun.
What parts of the plant do you see here? I see the leaves, the stem, the seed case, or the caja de semillas. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil and draw your favorite fruit or vegetable and label the 6 parts of a plant. Plants are amazing. All of our favorite fruits and vegetables come from plants. Thank you for learning about different plant parts and why each part is important. I appreciate spending time together and learning and growing together.